So you guys have asked me a lot of questions about raised beds. I'm always talking about how you need a raised bed, especially if you're new to gardening. It's gonna be so much easier. Let me quick say why. In a raised bed, you never till the soil. When you till the soil, you're bringing up thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of weed seeds. And when you're bringing them up, you bring them to light, to air, to moisture, and they grow. So instead, in a raised bed, you start with about 60% topsoil, 30% of a good compost, which means it has no smell. It looks just like a nice, dark, rich ground, which is what you want. And then about 10% of a soil lightener, like vermiculite or perlite. Both are all natural, do not get anything synthetic. Once you have that in there the first year, every year going forth, you just want to layer a good layer of compost on top if you need to top dress. Then you're always suppressing and layering down any weed seeds. That's why you love raised beds. Now, as far as layout, I would not go as long as I did. I went 24 foot on each of my 6 raised beds. I'm a huge gardener, but doing it again, I would do what I did at my mom's, which is more of like an 8x4 foot bed. Anything over 4 foot across, it's hard to reach across, and you never want to stomp on the soil or stand on it because that pushes it down and compacts it. You always want really nice soil because then when you want to come out and plant, you just can do this without having shovels or tillers. It's so easy to work with, and that's why I love raised beds. They warm up quicker in the spring. You're able to plant sooner. They drain really well. I love them. So layout, do what you want. I wouldn't do it like this. I'd put gravel around them like I did over at the other farm, because then you don't have to trim around them, and they're good to go. Raised beds should be in your future, whether you're new to gardening or have a huge in-earth garden. You'll love it more this way.